So for today, what we'll do is we'll take up few examples on LODs. So this material is from the Tableau conference material. Some exercises here and there. So we'll go through these exercises and try and solve this. Okay. So let me pull up one more screen. Just a minute. Okay, so basically, let me explain the question here. We have sales. This is again, we are working on sample superstore data, and we need to show basically, so we have different states here and cities inside each of these states. Now we know that different cities have different sales in each of these states. So we need to show only what is the city that is having maximum sales in that particular state. For example, this is a state of California, and in this California state, we only have a city called Los Angeles that's having the maximum sales. So we need to display that particular name across all the states, which is having the maximum sales across all the cities in that particular state. Let's see how we can do that. Okay. First of all, we'll create our map. So let me find my state. Got my map. Let me just color it by sales. Okay. Now I want to display the maximum sales city as a label. So first I need to create a calculation to get that. Simple is basic understanding from logic point of view. If we see, we just have to get the for each state. So we need to perform our calculation at a state level. So we need, straight away we'll go for fixed state. Give me maximum city sales. Okay. Fixed state city. So we need to check at the city level. So we need to get the sum of sales first at this level. City level sales. Why I'm giving state and city? Because if there are same name of cities in multiple states, it will not club those two things. So therefore we'll give state and city. I'll click OK, and I'll create another calculation on top of that earlier calculation. So I need to get maximum state, right? Maximum city sales. Yeah. So maximum city sales. Now I need to perform this calculation at the state level. For every state, I need one city. So therefore, fixed state, give me a maximum of my earlier calculation, which is city level sales. So this will give me the sales value for the city, which has maximum sales in every state. Maximum. Once I created this, now I'll use these two this particular calculation to get me the name of the city. So it's just another basically if you see what, let me explain that later. We'll just use a simple condition if city level sales, okay, is equal to my maximum city sales, then give me city, and so it will only check for where the sales are maximum for in each state, for which city, and it will give me only that name. So this will hold the values for of the values labels that we intend to have. So I'll just put this in label, and I got my Los Angeles. So likewise for every state. So one thing to understand here is, so this concept brings in something called nested LODs. Just like how we have nested table calculation, here if you remember, the first calculation that we created is itself an LOD at the state and city level, and on the top of this LOD we are developing another LOD, this is the second LOD. So this is the itself is an LOD calculation. Therefore, the secondary calculation becomes a nested calculation, nested LOD calculation. I hope this is clear. Stop me whenever something you have a question or something. We'll move on to the next question. And yeah, trying to open up the question.